Hi, this is Rajesh. Today we are going to do quadratic equations, exercise 5.3. In that, fourth problem, that is, the sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. In this problem, they gave the sum of the reciprocals of the Rahman's ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3, and then we need to find present age of Rahman. So before we are going to find present age of Rahman, take one example. Suppose present age of Rahman is 30. Suppose just consider 30 years at the present age of Rahman. At that time, 3 years ago, what would be his age? 3 years ago is nothing but 3 years before. See here, 3 years before his age ago, 3 years ago, his age would be 30 minus 3 is equal to 27. Isn't it? 3 years ago, 3 years before, both are same only. So at that time we will get minus. Suppose present age of mine is 30 years. 3 years back, my age would be 27, isn't it? Like that only. Here present age of Rahman is 30 years. 3 years ago, his age would be 30 minus 3 is equal to 27. And also, 5 years from now, his age will be 5 years from now. 5 years from now, his age will be 30 plus 5, 35. 35 years, isn't it? From now means we need to add after, later, from now, at that time we need to add to the present age. See here, this is 3 years ago, this is 5 years from now, his age will be 35, his age would be 27 when present age of Rahman is 30. But in the problem we need to find present age of Rahman, so that only whatever thing we need to find, that thing we need to assume as x. Let the present age of Rahman's is x years. 3 years ago, his age was x minus 3 years. When his present age is x, 3 years ago his age was x minus 3 years, and its reciprocal is 1 by x minus 3 years. 1 by x minus 3 years. 5 years from now, his age will be x plus 5 years. 5 years from now, 5 years from now, his age will be x plus 5 years. X plus 5 years. And its reciprocal is 1 by x plus 5 years. 1 by x plus 5 years. See here, in this problem, 5 years from now, his age will be x plus 5 years, and the present age of Rahman is x years, and its reciprocal is 1 by x plus 5 years. According to the problem, the sum of the ages of reciprocals of the Rahman's ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. So that only here I will write 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. Now take LCM of x minus 3 and x plus 5. So you will get here x minus 3 into x plus 5. Now 1 by x minus 3 into x minus 3 into x plus 5. At that time these two things gets cancelled, so we will get here x plus 5 plus 1 by x plus 5 into x minus 3 into x plus 5. Now these two things gets cancelled, so we will get here x minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Now x plus x, 2x plus 5 minus 3 minus plus 5 minus 3, we will get plus 2 divided by x into x plus 5 minus 3 into x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. Now we will get here 2x plus 2 by x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. Now this can be written as 2x plus 2 by x square plus 5x minus 3x plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. Now we can write as this one. Do cross multiplication. At that time we will get 3 into 2x plus 2 is equal to 1 into x square plus 2x minus 15. Do cross multiplication. So here we will get 6x plus 6 is equal to 3 into 2x, 6x plus 3 into 2, 6 is equal to x square plus 2x minus 15. If you multiply with 1, you will get same thing. So 1 into x square plus 2x minus 15, you will get x square plus 2x minus 15 only. Now you need to get each and every term before is equal to. So here you will get 6x plus 6 minus x square minus 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. Now minus x square plus 6x minus 2x plus 4x plus 6 plus 15 plus 21 is equal to 0. If you multiply entire equation with the minus, at that time you will get x square minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of quadratic equation. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we need to find roots of a quadratic equation by using factorization method or else formula method, which is easy to us. We can go through that one only. See here, product should be 21 minus 21x square and the sum should be equal to minus 4x. So 7 3s are 21. We are very familiar with those factors of 21. So that only here sum should be equal to minus 4x. No, I am going to write those factors as minus 7x and plus 3x. At that time we will get minus 4x, we will write as minus 7x plus 3x. Now x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 is equal to 0. From these two things, if I take x is common, x minus 7 I will get. From these two things, if I take 3 is common, x minus 7 I will get. From these two things, I can take x minus 7 is common. Now x minus 7 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. So here x minus 7 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now x minus 7 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. So here we will get x is equal to 7 or x is equal to minus 3. See, x is nothing but present age of Rahman. So ages always in positive numbers only. They won't be in negative numbers. So here we should not take this thing. We have to take this one only. Therefore, present age of Rahman is equal to 7 years. 7 years. Once check this one.